you guys can get it. Also, if you want to like link with me, you have like video ideas or whatever the case may be, you can also inbox me. You can follow me on Facebook as well as my Instagram, and that's at True Beauty EST85. Now, to get into the video. So, I'm in the process of trying to redo my dining room, okay? So, right now it looks like a war zone, okay? Because it's got a lot going on inside of it. But I seen this idea for these like glass vases with like glitter on top. So I want to actually redo that here in my dining room. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be making glass glitter vases. We're going to be making glitter vases. I can't make glass. I ain't Jesus. Not that Jesus. That's neither here nor there. I don't know what that part was. Anyway, we are going to do some glitter glass vases. So I've talked enough. I've babbled enough. Let's get into it. Let's go. So these are the 3 vases that I purchased. They're called tower vases. They were actually $3.99 a piece, so I got a pretty good deal on them. So these are the vases that we're actually going to be, I guess, working on today. I got these supplies. Of course, I got my Modge Podge. I also picked up this by the register. It was like some brushes. It's the only one. I figured I could use them at another time. The ones that I don't use now. And then I got some glitter, just some regular extra fine glitter. And then I got this gold glitter as well that's extra fine as well. Well, it's more like a powder, but it'll do. I wanted to do fine glitter because I didn't want it to be chunky, so that's why I picked up this right here. So these are our okay, so we just got finished the first top layer of our vase. As you can see, I just got the black brush and did one broad stroke because I want it kind of bigger at the top. So this is the top of it.
Because of you, I get to goosebumps. This feeling got me falling. Get tired of something they do me for body, I make me spend this money, This one like Julie and Romeo.
This is the finishing product. This is it. I wasn't doing nothing too major. Y'all thought I was gonna do the woos and ahs and glitz and glams. No, this is all I'm doing today. This right here. Just this. So this is the finishing product, guys, of the vase. I'll probably wipe it off a little bit. As you see, I got glitter everywhere on me. I'm gonna do Made it to the end of the video. Hopefully you like the vases. I mean, I think they turned out pretty okay, but let me know what you think. Definitely leave me some comments or whatever down below. If you're new here, definitely comment so that I know that you're new, so that I can welcome you properly into the family, into Sheen Nation. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also follow me on Instagram at TrueBeautyEST85. And I will link like all the information for the supplies and how to get in contact with me. I'll link all that below. So until next time, Sheen Nation, peace.